Hi, this is Jolting Johnathan with Mad Science of Southern Massachusetts and Rhode Island. I'm filming today at Bristol Community College, and I actually have enlisted, one of the students was walking by and I asked them if they could help me. So Nick, you want to come here and help me out? No. Everybody, please be kind. This is Nick's first time doing anything like this, so he's a little nervous. So I'm going to give Nick a really, really easy job. Nick, I want you to just come stand a little closer right here. Nick, I want you to hold this cup, 2 hands, still as a statue. Nick, you need to understand a couple of things. First off, I was up all night last night putting these beads in order and then putting them in this cup, okay? I put them in order, strung them, and then placed them in this cup. Your job, do not spill my beads. From here on in, still as a statue, do not move at all, okay? All right, okay. Now as we can see, folks, I've got my...
I didn't do it.
That's okay. All right, we're going to try this again. Nick, do not move a muscle. Still as a statue. As we can see, I've got my beats right. Really?
It's doing its own thing. I'm touching
All right.
it.
Where did you guys find this kid? Seriously? Really? This is the best we've got? Okay. Okay. You know what? That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Nick, let me ask you a question. Do these beads have energy?
Yes.
Yeah, they do. They actually have a very special kind of energy. These beads have a very, very special kind of energy. It's called potential energy. These beads have potential energy. It's energy that things get when they're just kind of hanging out. Now, what happened when I took the beads out, and I need to let you in on a little secret, I kind of set you up. I knew that was going to happen. They were going to fall out because when I took the beads out, gravity started to pull some of the beads down. Right. And once those beads started to go, inertia made them want to keep going, because when an object is in motion, it wants to stay in motion. So when we had those beads start going because of gravity, they wanted to keep going, and they kept going and kept going. It's why a slinky does what it does. And then that potential energy turned into something called kinetic energy, which is energy of things in motion. Now, I'll tell you what, I want to try this again. This time, I want you to hold the beads, but I'm going to hold this up really, really high. And I want you to watch, especially you guys at home, these beads are going to shoot high out of this container. All right. Are you ready? Right. So I want you to hold this right here. No, you're going to actually hold the beads right there. Still as a statue, don't move. I'm going to move this up nice and high, right up about here, okay? So, right up about here. I'm going to move it up about here. Okay, are we ready? Okay, I'm going to move the cup up about where I just showed you guys. Nick, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, up about there. Nice and high, and as you can see, those beads start to shoot out of that cup. All because of that potential energy turning into kinetic energy. It's amazing how that works, all because of that transfer of potential energy into kinetic energy. Nick, thank you very much for your help. I really, really appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Jolting Johnathan. This has been Nick. I'm from Mad Science. He's from Bristol Community College. Thank you very much. You want to know something? Send us an email on Facebook. Send us an email to our website.